Waiting Odogwu Aunty they do. See waiting Odogwu. So this woman pretend say this is why I shock him. So so I will drop the video now. Make una see waiting he do. So you know Odogwu Aunty get that boss. They misbehave like this. I'll make I drop the video. Make una see. Now wow.
Why don't die? Talk to her. Who gives that? Who gives that? If this woman for this man arrest. It's too much. It's too much. I will take that plate away. It's too much. My friend, no, my brother, leave it. If I take that plate, why is this going on? She unplug her from this place, keep for ground. Go hold this thing for now. Now fake, everything are fake. Just fake. I can't go to the hospital. Doctor said nothing to this woman. I said, doctor, this woman don't. She hold wire shock her. There's nothing to her. Nothing shock her. Before we pass, they go hospital for road. She tell me she talk say she want chop rice and chicken. Number one shot say what do you mean rice and chicken for this kind of condition? I think number one no shot. Rush go buy. The rush go buy. See ya. Are you a witch? You are a witch, sir. You are a witch. This woman just fake this thing. I don't give her this idea. You just fake the more than a prank in the prank. I know that. When my wife prank me, now I don't like you. The driver come this thing. So literally, this woman, collect this thing. So literally, because when I start that, because I don't start, when that thing happen, my brain don't even carry me. Say, I can't even check what this thing there on. This woman purposely. Come all this thing. See what they offer. She unplug her from this place, keep for ground. Go hold this thing for now. Now fake, everything are fake. Just fake. I can't go to the hospital. Doctor said nothing to this woman. I said, doctor, this woman don't. She hold wire shock her. There's nothing to her. Nothing shock her. Before we pass, they go hospital for road. She tell me she talk say she want chop rice and chicken. Number one shot say what do you mean rice and chicken for this kind of condition? I think number one no shot. Rush go buy. The rush go buy. See ya. I don't know how she then get the idea. I don't know who give her idea to go off this thing. Go. But when I prank, wait, what prank me? You want to get now? Now, I don't like it. It's too much. It's too much. I will take that plate away. It's too much. My friend, no, my brother, leave it. If I take that plate. Why do you not behave this way? Excuse me. Everybody in the world is telling you as a wicked man. Are you a witch? You are a witch, sir. You are a witch. This one just fake this thing. I don't even give her this idea. You just fake the more than a prank in the prank. I know that. When my wife prank me, now I don't like you. I don't like it, my brother. You get sense to go. Why you don't die? Why you don't die? Talk to her. Who gives that? Who gives that? Are you know? Do you know? I'm happy. Who gives you say I call the brothers from village, then run, leave everything where they do. You come don't show your sister. Then run, leave everything where they do. Come here. This old woman. We reach out to you. You eat chicken because we reach out to you. Doctor tell me say nothing to this old woman. And the doctor say this man old man. Nothing to her. No, nothing shock up. If I know that it's a thing like this, I will not come. Let's end. If I know that it's a thing like this, I will not come. Will you respect? I swear to God who made me. If this woman for this man arrest her. Arrest! I support you. Arrest her. Arrest her. Out of your arrest her. Out of her. Go. If you don't have to carry her go. By hand, by leg, I know I'm a bad witch. I'm not a bad witch. She's a witch. Why must you be all this nonsense? Drive me. Huh? Drive me. I don't like it. It's becoming unbearable. It's a mess. Why do you behave like this? Who told you all this kind of behavior? You behave like a mad person. It's okay. It's okay. So don't.
And then they talk.
I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed.
Says you go chop chicken.
It's okay. See.
It's very, very shameful.
In fact, if you don't arrest her,
it's very, very shameful.
Very shameful.